Welcome to Car Zoan channel. The Elite Majesty S was introduced as a flagship concept focused on combining royal elegance with modern engineering. In 2026, the model returns with significant upgrades, blending advanced technology with handcrafted luxury. Built to compete with top executive sedans in the global market, the Elite Majesty S represents status, sophistication, and next-generation innovation. Exterior. From the first glance, the Elite Majesty S makes a bold statement. The large signature chrome grille, sharp adaptive LED matrix headlights, and sleek aerodynamic body lines create a powerful road presence. The 20-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels enhance its premium stance, while the panoramic glass roof adds a modern touch. Smooth curves and a long wheelbase design reflect true VIP styling. Under the hood. Powering the Elite Majesty S is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine producing approximately 420 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive system, the sedan delivers smooth yet powerful acceleration. For eco-conscious drivers, a mild hybrid system improves fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Interior. And you are welcomed by handcrafted leather seats, real wood trim, and ambient multicolor lighting. The cabin features a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Rear passengers enjoy executive lounge seating with massage, heating, and ventilation functions. Advanced noise insulation ensures a quiet, peaceful ride. Performance. Despite its luxury focus, the Elite Majesty S offers impressive performance. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 5.2 seconds. Adaptive air suspension provides a smooth ride in comfort mode and tight handling in sport mode. Advanced driver assistance systems ensure safety and confidence on every journey. Price. The estimated starting price of the 2026 Elite Majesty S is around $78,000, depending on